Staring out the window, reaching for a North Star, waiting just to wake up from this nightmare where you could be right back in my arms, dancing to the limbo, stuck here in the middle. You tell me that it's simple, but I could paint 1,000 different pictures of what is wrong. But if we turn the clocks back a couple dials.
Welcome to a new vlog. It is a day in my life. We're on the Gilli Islands currently, and this is our, I think, second full day. So we're leaving tomorrow to go to Ubud, which we're also really excited about because they have those beautiful rice terraces and the monkeys are there. And we just got ready to go to the beach, and we're gonna do a little beach day. Yesterday we went snorkeling, which was really nice. We saw so many beautiful things. We filmed a few things with our phones, but I posted that on my Instagram highlights and on my TikTok. So if you want to see all the beautiful things we saw, then just go head over there. I'll put my TikTok and my Instagram right here if you want to check it out. And yeah, we saw some shipwrecks, a lot of beautiful fish. We saw, so what else did we see? Well, underwater statues. That was my personal highlight because it just looked so nice. And yeah, we just had a really fun time. And we visited the 3 islands here because we're on Gilli T, which is Gilli Tarwang, I think you pronounce it. And then we went to Gilli Air and Gilli Minnow yesterday, and Gilli Minnow had like the most beautiful crystal clear water. We also saw some turtles, which was great. I also seen some turtles on the other trip when I went snorkeling on Nusa Penida, but it was really nice to see them again. And then we also went to a turtle sanctuary where they had all the little cute baby turtles, which was super cute. And we're thinking about releasing some turtles into the water when we're back in Seminyak, so maybe we'll do that when we get there. But yeah, for now we're just heading to the beach, getting some breakfast. It's a bit late already, but haven't eaten anything yet, so that's the plan for now. Also, another fun fact, there are no cars on this island. You've probably heard this before if you've ever heard of the Gilli Islands. No cars, and just like a few scooters and mostly bikes. But it's so small that you can just walk around the island in around 1 to 2 hours. And the other islands, I think, even quicker. So you don't really need any cars, but of course it was quite the struggle to transport our suitcases when we came to the harbor the first time. And we're really not looking forward to that tomorrow either when we're leaving. Also, the boat ride here took I think around 5 hours, even though it was supposed to be, I think, 4.5 or 3.5. So it took way longer, and it was like the worst boat ride in our lives. You have to imagine that the boat was packed. Like, there were so many people on there, and then there was no air conditioning and no toilet for 5 hours. And you guys, I have to go to the bathroom like almost every hour, so that was not fun. And it just took forever. Like, it was really bad. So we're dreading having to go through that again tomorrow, but we're going to a different harbor and it's supposed to only take 2.5 hours, so let's pray, let's hope it's going to be better tomorrow.
Too long, but I don't wanna come down. Caught up in a long free fall, you got me off of the ground.
I got a mango juice, first time trying this, and a sandwich with crispy chicken for breakfast. And we're just sat down by the beach. This gorgeous view here. It's super hot today, and overall it feels like it's way hotter on this island, on the Gillies, than it is on the main island of Bali. It's just super hot, like we're sitting here on the beach melting, but I cannot take off my shirt because I have a really bad sunburn on my back from yesterday from the snorkeling. So I'm just gonna sit and sweat for now and then later go into the water, which actually reminds me that I forgot to bring my t-shirt that I wanted to wear. So a little because the place we were at earlier was also really nice, but it was next to the harbor, so I wanted to find something more quiet. But the other side of the island is like super rocky, as you can see behind me, so it's not really nice to go for a swim here. So right now I'm thinking about maybe heading to one of the nice beach clubs they have here, because I wanted to try one out anyways. And a lot of them are free entry, and you can just take a sunbed and you don't have to pay for it. So I might just go there and get something to drink, but I'll have to see if I find a good one that I want to go to. So I'll just keep walking, doing my little walk on this island, and yeah, seeing what's around. I mean, you can walk the island in 2 hours or 1 hour, I think. So eventually, I think I'll find something, or I'll be gone, or I've gone around the whole island. But I don't think it will take me that long to find a nice spot. I hope not, because it's super hot today.
Too long, but I don't wanna come down. Caught up in a long free fall, you got me off of the ground. Sway for a minute, the plane moves side to side. Ticket, I want you in my life. Feel a mile high when you're on my side. High up in the sky.
It was so nice and so relaxing at the beach club I just left. I think I spent around 3 hours or so in there, and the pool was really nice. It had like the perfect depth. It was just amazing. I think this was like the most relaxing beach club experience I've had so far. The margaritas were also so good. It's called Malibu Beach Club. If you want to go there, if you're on the Gillis, definitely go there. I think it was really nice. And yeah, right now I'm just heading back to the beach. Because it was nicer than here, and yesterday we watched the sunset from here, but we got like stung by all these mosquitoes, so I don't want to go back to there again, because I really don't want any more mosquito bites. So I'm hoping that I can just see the sunset as well from the other side of the beach where the harbor is, without getting stung by a million mosquitoes, and still being able to watch the nice sunset. Emily's still back at the hotel because she's still not feeling very well, but we'll meet up after the sunset for dinner. Don't know what we're gonna do for dinner yet, but probably gonna go for a cheaper option because we spent a lot of money on food yesterday. We went to this really nice Indian restaurant they had here, and I don't know, we just kept ordering, but it was really good. It's just down by the harbor as well, so yeah, something more inexpensive for tonight. So that pretty much concludes my day in the Gilli Islands. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll tell you a bit more about the island actually right now, because there are some interesting facts about this, by the way. Look at the cute cat that keeps showing up to our hotel here. I think she lives here. She's super cute. Look at her. Say hi. She's not up for it, but well, thanks for your little appearance anyways. But we're about to go to bed, and something interesting about the island that I did want to mention is it is quite a party island. So it's very popular for party, but we tried to go to a couple of bars and like clubs, you can say, where you also dance, and we didn't enjoy it that much, so it's not kind of our type of party. But I think if you're into techno and hello, and maybe you don't have such high expectations if you go out, and you don't aren't used to like bottle service or anything, then I think it's a very low-key type of going out. So if you like that, you'll probably enjoy it. And then also the island is very well known for drugs, which is quite interesting. We got offered a lot of different things, and I don't know, it's very sketchy, but a lot of people here like to take drugs, so I guess it's a hot spot for that too. So yeah, if you like those two things, then this is probably the island for you. But we came here for the beautiful beaches, and that was really what it's best for. Just snorkeling, laying by the beach, enjoying the beautiful crystal clear blue waters. But yeah, that's was our day in the Gilli Islands. We basically had some dinner on the beach, as you could see, and I just got some nasi goreng, which is like the typical food that people eat here in Indonesia. It's just like fried rice with an egg and some vegetables in there, and it was really, really good. And then I had some iced tea with it, and my friend Emily had some pizza. And we just watched the sunset, took some pictures, and just enjoyed our dinner. Then I got some frozen yogurt, and she got a crepe. And we headed back to our hotel because we had to pack because we're leaving tomorrow with the ferry. I just finished packing. Now I'm gonna take off my makeup. I am super tired. Probably gonna start editing a video so I can get something up again soon for you guys, because often the Wi-Fi here is not that good, so I cannot upload that much. But yeah, I'll go get started on that. And thank you guys so much for watching. I'll be back soon with another video, hopefully a vlog of Ubud, which is the next place we're going to. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see each other in the next one. Bye!
From this nightmare where you could be right back in my arms, dancing to the limbo, stuck here in the